Get ready to have your wallet doing backflips because the Wells Fargo Reflect card is about to make your financial life a whole lot more exciting. Say goodbye to interest payments and hello to up to 21 months of no interest financing on purchases and qualifying balance transfer. This card may not come with a ton of bells and whistles, but it's got the one thing that really counts, a great introductory offer that will make your wallet smile. Think of it as the wild child of the credit card world. It may not have the sophistication of its fancy friends, but it's got a heart and soul. And the best part, you'll also get to protect your beloved cell phones with up to $600 in coverage per claim for theft or damage. Just remember, the first $25 of any claim will come out of your pocket. So grab your reflectors and get ready to shine because the Wells Fargo Reflect card is the perfect financial companion for anyone looking to pay off debt or make a big purchase. Just don't expect it to be a long-term relationship because once the introductory offer is up, you may find yourself yearning for more. But for now, let's enjoy the wild ride together. I'm Alex and I'm here to share a little known secret with you. The Wells Fargo Reflect card is the one true love of your wallet. I'm talking about benefits that will make your spending life easier than ever and perks that the fine print is trying to keep hidden. So buckle up and join me on this ride as we uncover the simplest and stress-free way to spend. And if you're new here, make sure to show some love by hitting the like button and becoming a member of our exclusive club of YouTube's algorithm most loved viewers. As we enter a new year, we may worry about spending a lot or even too much. For those who want to avoid paying interest to purchases, the Wells Fargo Reflect card has a great introductory offer. You could get up to 21 months of no interest financing on purchases or qualifying balance transfers from when the account is open. But is the best credit card for your wallet? Well, this card comes with a few perks. Still, it can be helpful for anyone trying to pay off existing debt or spread on the payments on a brand new significant purchase. The lengthy introductory rate promotion that applies to new purchases and qualified balance transfers is the primary selling point of this credit card. Even though the initial rates might appeal to some applicants, this card is not recommended for long-term use. Like most of those that do not charge any annual fee, this card doesn't come with comprehensive set of perks. Notably, the card doesn't offer any rewards for making purchases. These make it a less desirable option than direct competitors who also offer introductory interest rates of 0%. Cell phone insurance is, however, included as a standard benefit on many of the Wells Fargo credit cards, which is a nice additional benefit. You will have access to up to $600 coverage per claim for stolen or damaged phones if you pay your wireless bill with the Wells Fargo Reflect card. However, the first $25 of any claim will be deducted from your reimbursement. Each year, 2 claims are allowed. Most customers can find options superior to this unless they have used up all of their other possibilities. After meeting a required level of spending, the welcome bonuses come packaged with many credit cards, give you the option to receive either cashback or travel reward. Although the Wells Fargo Reflect card doesn't have a welcome bonus in the traditional sense, its primary benefit can be construed as a bonus in its own right. The intro 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers that meet specific criteria is offered to you on this card for the first 18 months after the account is open. Let's suppose you make your minimum payment on time during the introductory period. In that case, you are eligible for an extension of the 0% APR period for an additional 3 months. Balance transfers made within the first 120 days are eligible for the intro rate and fee. This offer is superior to any offer currently available, 0% APR. If you get the Reflect card, you'll have nearly 2 years of interest-free finance. If you need to make a significant purchase or if you plan to connect your existing debt, this card is an excellent option for you to consider. However, even though this card comes with one of the best 0% APR currently available on the market, it doesn't have other rewards. As a result, the only customers who will find this card valuable are those who can take advantage of its low interest offer. You should consider applying for this card if you are a consumer looking for more than just a low interest APR offer. This card has an introductory offer comparable to the one offered by other credit cards, but it also allows you to earn an unlimited 2% cashback reward on purchase, and there are no rewards category limitations or quarterly activation requirements. Remember, it will be a fee for transferring balance. A minimum of 5% will be charged in addition to an introductory fee of either 3% for the first 120 days or 5% afterward. You should know that the variable APR will kick in once the intro APR expires. You will need a strategy to pay off most of, if not all, your debt during the period in which the initial offer is in effect. Also, the Reflect card offers a 0% APR on purchases for the first 21 months after the account is opened. After that, a variable APR ranging from 1674 to 2874 applies. This is similar to the offer for transferring balance. If you have a seizable purchase that you will need to make payments over time, or if you need a break from making interest payments on your credit card balance, this benefit may be highly beneficial. Remember that similar to the offer for transferring balances, interest will start accruing on your purchases after the intro period for using the card has ended. It's important to remember that making new purchase with your Wells Fargo Reflect card after you have already transferred the balance to the card will make it more difficult for you to pay off the balance. Keeping this in mind, I recommend only making purchases with the Wells Fargo Reflect card that you can pay off within the introductory period of having the card. Still, the card also comes with additional benefits which should be considered. When you pay your monthly cell phone bill with this card, you can receive up to $600 in cell phone protection against damage or theft, subject to a $25 deductible. The Wells Fargo Reflect card is like the godfather of credit. Just as the Godfather movie is renowned for its power and influence, the Wells Fargo Reflect wields its own kind of power and influence in the world of credit card. With this range of benefits and features that are hard to match, this credit card will make you feel like a true financial don. So just like you can refuse an offer from the Godfather, you won't be able to resist the lure of the Wells Fargo Reflect card. The card does not offer any spending incentives in the form of cashback or travel reward. However, if you place a high value on having flexible financing options and protecting your cell phone, the Wells Fargo Reflect card could be an excellent choice. There is no annual fee associated with this card. However, there is a 3% fee for any transactions made in a foreign country. Now, let's suppose you are going to be traveling outside the country. In that case, you should look into credit cards that don't charge additional fee for using them in other countries. Fees for late payments can go as high as $40. To determine how the Wells Fargo Reflect card compares to other credit cards that offer a 0% intro APR, such as Citi Diamond Preferred, we need to look at the facts. Because the Citi offers a 0% introductory APR for the first 21 months on balance transfers, this card is an excellent option for purchasing flexibility. The ongoing APR ranges from 1674 to 27.49% variable. Transferring of existing balances must be finalized within the first 4 months of opening the account. Choosing between the two cards is challenging because they are almost identical. On the other hand, the Wells Fargo Reflect card will provide you with an additional 6 months of interest-free financing on new purchases. Furthermore, as long as you make your monthly payment during the intro period time, you can earn an additional 3 months for a total of up to 21 months without incurring any interest charges. Aside from these considerations, your choice may come down to personal preferences regarding the financial institution with which you do business. If you need to pay back your purchases over an extended period without being subject to interest charges on your credit card, consider applying for the Wells Fargo Reflect card. For instance, if you want to buy a brand new expensive phone, you might spend close to $1,200 overall, let's say, once you factor in taxes and additional accessories. If you spread the cost of the purchase over the entire introductory APR period of 21 months, your monthly payment would be close to 50-57% per month. In addition, you'll be eligible for a free insurance policy on your mobile phone if you use the card to pay the bill for your mobile phone service. It's important to remember that the card does not offer any spending incentives such as cashback, points, miles for using the card. Therefore, if you place a high value on the rewards you earn on your purchases, you should consider getting a credit card that offers rewards. The 0% introductory APR period on Wells Fargo Reflect card is an excellent perk on a credit card. Let's say you want flexibility for your upcoming purchases or a balance transfer. Well, in that case, this card is definitely something you should give serious considerations to having. On the other hand, if you intend to spend a significant amount of money, you should definitely draw up a spending plan before you do so. Even though this card offers flexible repayment options, it's never a good idea to overspend simply because you can stretch out your payment. The Wells Fargo Reflect card is great for those who want flexible financing financing options, and cell phone protection. Just don't expect it to win any awards for its spending incentive. But hey, who needs rewards when you have peace of mind and interest-free financing? So there you have it. The Wells Fargo Reflect card is the cherry on top of your financial sundae. With its unbeatable benefits, secret perks, you'll be the envy of all your friends. Just imagine you could be racking in rewards, savings, while they are still sweeping their basic cards like it's 1999. So that's a wrap, guys. If you liked what you saw, give this video some love with a like and a share, and remember to hit that bell icon to catch up on this channel. Until next time, farewell and keep smiling.